Hey, do you want some?
It's okay, go ahead.
Oh, shoot, shoot, shoot. Ah.
I love his little moan. You're such a cutie.
Do you want some? Do you want some of this? Oh, yes. Give it to me. I need a pair of pants. Come on.
Hi. Are you enjoying those peas all over your face?
She's eating too. Not green goo like you are. Only you get to eat the green goo. Like a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Green ooze. Oh yeah. That was so big. Oh my goodness.
Just so you know, it's January 29th, 2011. This is Ezra's first food, besides rice cereal.
Is that filming?
And catch you singing I Need a Pair of Pants.
Well, she does. Ready? Oh, bye.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Go for it.
Oh, no, it's just on your face.
You're so funny.
Oh, there you go. There's a little of it now. You didn't really take any of it, though. There's some. Yeah, it's still mostly on your face. New. Go. Oh.
Wow. That was a lot. That was a big rejection. He's got it all over his mouth. He's not swallowing. He's just sitting in there.
Yummy. Come on now. I gotta keep reading. Oh. I think you like the act of eating more than the food itself.
You're so funny.
Oh, the crap all over your face. Oh my gosh. Stop. Stop. No.
But I want that in my mouth.
No hands. Just food. Oh, there you go. I thought you wanted some. Give it to me. stupid baby.
It's probably about as interesting as it's going to get, huh? I should probably turn off the camera.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey. Oh, there you go. Here. Hey, where you going? See this dude.
She's probably done. Okay, bye-bye.